Calm down, oh, is she talking to you, Big Jack Cat? Is she talking to you? He just jumped up and grabbed his butt.
Does Jay's camera have a video?
Oh, Jay's got one.
Calm down.
You want me to get Obie a
Dog
dog food? Dog food?
I can get. Oh, I wish I could do it from here.
Get on this side, dude.
Do you want me to go down and get him a dog done?
Yeah.
Lay down for him, Milks. Lay down. Lay down, big boy.
Come on, Jack. Come on back.
Right here on the steps.
Huh?
There's just one right here on the
Oh,
steps.
good. You want to give that to him, Chris?
Tell him to sit and stay. Sit and stay. Come all the way over to him. Willie's down here, huh? Lay down. You see him try to eat it all at once?
Yeah. Oh, what a great dog.
He is a good dog. I'm impressed with him. He just takes it from there. He just lets Jack just fall off and.
See, he's not protective over food or anything. You see how he's not even jumping on like the cat because he's licking his food?
Yeah.
Obie would be fine to let Jack have any crumbs that he wanted.
You want me to get another one?
Nah, let him clean the floor.
You see Jack go and try to chase after him. Oh, Jack, come on. Charge at him.
Oh, he will.
He's breathing just the right way, too.
Yeah, right.
He sure likes Jack's butt.
I'm sure it's hurting him. I'm sure Obie's getting hurt over this. Jack's not the softest guy. Obie's probably got a little bit of pinpricks all
Oh,
over him.
no. Is he rubbing his... Oh.
Yeah, he's rubbing his...
Jack, no biting of the dog.
Obie, dog, lay down. Lay down.
Don't beat up the dog, Jack.
Lay down, Nose. Lay down. You want a treat? You want a treat? Lay down. Lay down. Lay down.
You want us to go get it down and get him another one?
Just saying the words enough. Come here. Aren't you the best little boy in the world?
Oh, here he comes.
I told you he was messing with him when I carried him out to the car.
Yeah.
Obie, sit down. Sit down for me. Obie,
Oh, that's funny.
What a great dog.
lay down. Lay down. Lay down.
Obie's really a pretty dog.
He, honest to God, if I could have taken him for a bike ride before, he would have been awesome. He would have just done this.
Tired.
But he's been in the house all day. Me and Jay have been running around.
Oh, did he get his ear? He must have. I'm sorry, Obie.
He's a dog. He heals.
I've got scratches too, Obie. I'm with you. I know what it's like.
I got them all over me.
Little Jack Cat is good with him.
Has Obie been with another cat? Oh yeah. You go. You go,
Hey
Jack.
there, big boy. Lay down. Lay down for me. Lay down. Obie, come here.
He's got Jack's toy.
Whose toy is that? Whose toy is that?
That's a good boy, Obie. That's a good boy. That's a good boy.
You just have to smell everything. Okay. You guys just smell everything.
We better keep an eye on him.
Oh, kitchen Jay.
Oh.
Obie, dog. Obie. Obie, come here. Obie, come here. Come on, big boy.
You just want to hold him and when to fold him.
You are the best little canine in the world.
You just want to walk away and when to run.
Obie, dog. Obie, come here. Hey.